Juliano!
Masakit oh! Doon ka na kasi munan! Oh, wala na po. Wala na!
Juliano! Julia?
Aray! Aray!
Aray! Juliano, ba't? Juliano, no. No. Anak, no.
Love na lang.
Love.
No daw! No! Ano?
Ayaw daw niya.
Iwa kung ayaw mo.
Love mo nga si Margie. Love mo nga si Margie. Mama. Love mo si Margie. Si Margie, anak, hindi ako.
Dadaganan pa ako bastos mo.
No.
Aray. Oh, kabayo! Ha!
Anak.
Ha! Ha!
Love mo nga si Mama, anak. Love mo si Mama. Love mo. Aray ko na.
Ha!
Aray. Ah.
Are you sure it is? Hurry up, please.
No, anak, no.
I'm gonna do my makeup.
Aray ko! Diyos ko po. Ay, love.
It's kind of...
Love.
It's like a little bit. Yeah, cool.
No.
I think he's there for his sister and stuff. Get a spot sort of in the middle. Like, it doesn't matter how far back, get in the middle.
Mama mo, papatayin mo si Mama mo. Hindi mo love si Mama mo. Aray ko, Diyos ko po, anak.
Hey, can I play African yet? No,
Anak mo,
I really miss him.
tama na.
So cute.
Tulog na tayo.
Just get food. You sure you didn't bring up the
Julia.
How is that?
I guess.
Mitchell.
Yeah. It's right off your screenshots of Mommy's browser.
Is there a message?
Sabi ko walang iyak ang bata ka.
Says you know you want me back.
Masakit yun ha.
Say,
Tumagutok nga eh.
Juliano!
Juliano!
Send me the pic first.
No!
I'll send it to you.
No, tama na yan. Tama na yan.
I'm sorry.
Anak, tama na!
Masakit
Tama na.
Masakit na. Ayoko na.
Hindi na maganda yan, anak ha. Hindi na maganda yan.
How long is this thing gonna go for?
Ano yung akin na tayo bakla?
Jamie?
Hindi ko pinapansin.
Jamie wants to stop.
It's definitely been a few months putting Jamie through school. Quite stressful actually. But Jamie moved into HSC and that's the
Laki
main
ng tiyan ni
thing.
Julia.
Everything else would just blow over. So she's not the medalist or the best dancer. But hey, that's life.